we're at the shop, gonna be slapping some wheels on. Hopefully they fit, because the coilovers haven't arrived yet. So we're gonna be cutting it up and doing all that. Would you say it's the best looking car ever?
Brad, look at this fucking junk. It's replicas.
What do you mean it's legit? Guys, it's legit. Man, I'm gonna forget them.
Put it right here. Oh my God, another one.
Yo! Those are my real work emotion stickers.
It actually clears.
It clears?
But was that?
But with the tire won't, most likely. Let me see. Damn! Yo! Damn! That's actually nice. Yeah, with the tire 20. Damn, even the 20mm spacer.
No, with coilovers will be fine.
Coilovers, yeah, but I want to slap these on today at least.
You slap on with a spacer on.
I don't think it'll clear. I guess we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna be cutting the wide body, making it fit, because I don't think the wheels are gonna fit with it. I got a pretty decent tire size, 235/40, so it should be fine, I hope. I guess we'll see. So the first wheel is done. That looks so good. Dang, I'm really happy with that. So even with the stock suspension, it looks like it might not rub right on this part right here, because we technically have some room. So we should be good. I'm hoping it won't rub so we can slap all four, but time to get cutting. So one side is cut. Oh, what's with the lens? Yeah, we got one side cut. Looks pretty good. This part, which is already after, I guess, the body kit, we're gonna just Bondo clean it up. Gonna chop the exhaust off. We have all the wheels mounted and ready to go. So yeah, excited. It's coming out good. Like, we eliminated a lot, so yeah. While he's doing this, I'm fixing up this part so I can get to the other side. So there you have it. It's the next day. That's what it looks like currently. We're still waiting for the suspension to come in. I have it ordered. It should be here within this week. But dang, looking at it from here, this looks so good. I'm really happy with the way the wheels look. 18s actually fit with the body kit, so I'm super happy with that. That car's coming out really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but I love it. I think it's super cool. Dang. Like, really, really cool. Just imagine it lowered. I'm gonna try to put a picture here of the car lowered. I'm gonna Photoshop it. Yeah, so these look awesome. Look really good. So it's still drying. It's been what? Actually, a day or two now. I don't remember when we did this. I think it's 2 days. But yeah, it's still a little wet, still drying, but overall it's getting there. All this stuff we still gotta trim, because as you can see, it's just, and we gotta go sort of a little bit cleaner. I've seen other builds with this body kit and they just technically snip it like that. They don't even follow the line. Plus here it's pretty good, so we just gotta trim that a little bit. Overall, really happy with everything. What is it? Not sticking. Oh, okay. There we go. A little love tap and it works, but we're gonna have to still put one more screw here, put a couple up there when we get to the actual body. But I'm happy that we cut everything, welded everything. And yeah, this thing just looks so good. Like, look at that. Sheesh. Love it. Really happy with these. I wasn't sure if the 18s would fit, but they look great. I had 17s on my other E36, but these 18s, like, I think they're perfect. The coilovers are supposed to arrive within the next 2 to 3 days. Once they come in, we're gonna slam the car. I'm gonna Photoshop it real quick and show you guys what it's supposed to look like when we slam it. But I think it's gonna look amazing. I'm already stoked. I can envision it already. Once we drop it, the rear end is gonna tuck. I have some extra springs. I have the, let me see, oh, it's locked. I also have the fancy wide rear diffuser, but once we slam it, I want it to be basically tucking like maybe up to here, maybe up to here. We'll see, because I do have, I believe they're 20K springs, and I might have 30K springs, I don't know, but if we need to, I'll order some like 36Ks, maybe 40Ks, just so it's nice and stiff, so we can just ride static, nice and low. But rears are cut, still have the fronts to cut, which you can see, but that's pretty easy, just go around. There's no welding on that part. Attach the body kit nice and firmly, patch up all the holes, the cracks, that. Same thing on this side. Actually, there's nothing to patch on this side. This side's perfect. But just sand everything down, and yeah. But these wheels look slightly different compared to the one on the yellow car. I don't know what it is, but definitely the yellow ones have like a smaller fascia. Or maybe it's just me because these are painted. I don't know. These definitely have a bigger lip because they're 10.5. These are 9.5, but I don't know, something slightly different about them, and I don't know what it is. But yeah, I think these wheels complement the car a lot. It looks awesome. Definitely super stoked with it. But yeah, definitely stay tuned within the next 2 to 3 days. We're gonna be putting on the coilovers in this car and going from there. I'll probably slap the diffuser on too, but I really want to get this thing painted all in one color, slammed, and start working on the interior, because we did remove the door cards. It's locked, but Jesus, it's so dusty. Yeah, the door cards are removed. I'm trying to get the ABS plastic ones all around so we don't have the leather peeling anymore. Jeez, it's cold today. But yeah, so definitely stay tuned. A lot more stuff on this car's coming in. This thing is still slightly on the back burner. I was thinking about changing up the paint maybe, but I like the yellow, so I might just pick up another E36, do the legit GTR body kit from the game, because this is a different GTR kit, but do the legit one in Need for Speed colors. So if you guys want to see me do that, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.